traveling internationally with testosterone and pills. What advice can you give to men in United States probably when they want to travel with injection material and testosterone? How to go about that?
I've never had a man come across any complications during travel as long as they have their prescription with them and the medicine is in like a carrying case or a vial or something indicating it's for that person and they've got a prescription for it. Never had a problem by any patients who have traveled in CONUS, that's in the continent of the United States, or out CONUS, outside continent of the United States. I've never had a problem from any feedback from any patients who've had the prescription from their doctor.
So you don't have to carry it in your hand luggage, especially your.
I've had people swear that they check it with their luggage. I've had people bring it on board and put it in the overhead.
Okay. No worries there. Okay.
I haven't had any feedback from anybody that's ever had their testosterone confiscated.
If you wish to support the channel, consider becoming a channel member and check out the links in the description of all the things I'm associated with. My ebook on compounded testosterone cream, multiple workout programs, Mizumi skincare, online pharmacy NP labs, and a list of Amazon links to the supplements we recommend.